frequency of 162.55 megahertz. Programming originates from NOAA's National Weather Service Forecast Office in Lincoln and transmits from the WCIA television tower near Seymour. The station serves the following counties: Champaign, DeWitt, Coles, Douglas, Edgar, Ford, Moultrie, Hyatt, and Vermilion. WXG 76 is part of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Network. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WXG 76. Weather spotters confirm tornado. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life